You've seen it happen before. In the beginning, she seemed interested. The conversations felt effortless. Her attention was constant. She laughed at your messages, replied quickly, and made you feel like something real was building between you. Then suddenly, everything changed. Her replies became colder, hours turned into days, the energy disappeared without explanation, and the harder you tried to pull her back, the further away she seemed to move. Most men react the same way in that moment. They text more. They overthink every conversation. They try harder to impress her, reassure her, or win back the attention they already lost. But what if that reaction is exactly why she keeps pulling away? What if the more you chase her, the faster she disappears? Here's what most men never understand. Attraction is rarely driven by logic. It is driven by emotion, tension, uncertainty, and psychological perception. Desperation destroys attraction because it communicates fear. Emotional control creates attraction because it communicates strength. The men women obsess over are usually the men who never appear emotionally dependent on the outcome. And tonight, you're going to learn 5 psychological triggers that completely reverse the dynamic. But trigger number 5 is the one most men are too emotionally weak to use. The uncomfortable truth most men never hear is that attraction is deeply connected to emotional perception. A woman may enjoy your looks, your humor, or your attention. But the moment she senses emotional dependence, something changes internally. Her curiosity weakens, the emotional tension disappears, and slowly, without even planning to, she begins pulling away. Not because you cared too much, but because your behavior started communicating that your emotional stability depended on her response. Women instinctively value emotional strength because emotional strength signals security, confidence, and self-respect. Neediness signals the opposite. When a man constantly seeks reassurance, double texts after being ignored, or panics when her energy changes, he unintentionally places her above him emotionally. He hands over control of the interaction without realizing it, and this is where most men lose attraction completely. Whoever needs the other person less controls the emotional frame. The person willing to walk away calmly always holds more psychological power than the person desperately trying to hold everything together. You can see this pattern everywhere. A man notices her replies becoming colder, so he increases effort. He sends longer messages. He over-explains himself. He watches her online status. He searches for hidden meanings in every delayed response. The more uncertainty he feels, the more emotional he becomes. But instead of bringing her closer, his reactions lower his perceived value in her eyes. Ironically, the man who stays calm becomes the one she cannot stop thinking about. Emotional control creates mystery. Mystery creates uncertainty, and uncertainty creates emotional fixation. When your attention is no longer constantly available, your presence begins to feel valuable again. Scarcity changes perception. Emotional composure changes the entire dynamic. Most men chase attention because they fear losing connection. Powerful men remain grounded because they understand attraction cannot be forced, and that leads directly to the first psychological trigger. Most men think attraction grows through constant attention. So, the moment a woman becomes distant, they react emotionally. They reply instantly. They send extra messages to keep the conversation alive. They explain themselves too much, and without realizing it, every action communicates the same thing: fear of losing her. That fear is exactly what destroys the tension she once felt around them. Silence works differently. Silence interrupts emotional certainty, and when certainty disappears, the mind becomes restless. This is why strategic silence is one of the most powerful psychological triggers in attraction. When your attention suddenly becomes less predictable, her emotions begin searching for answers. Human psychology hates unfinished emotional patterns. The brain naturally seeks closure when something familiar changes unexpectedly. Think about how most men behave after a woman pulls away. They chase harder. But the rare man who remains calm immediately separates himself from everyone else. He does not panic when replies slow down. He does not beg for reassurance. He allows space instead of trying to control the outcome. And ironically, that emotional composure creates far more curiosity than constant attention ever could. A delayed response carries psychological weight when it comes from genuine emotional control, not from manipulation, not from childish games. Women can feel the difference. One comes from insecurity pretending to be power. The other comes from a man whose emotional state is no longer dependent on validation. That is the real secret behind silence. It creates uncertainty, and uncertainty creates obsession. The moment she starts wondering why your energy changed, her attention begins shifting back towards you. The moment she realizes your emotional state no longer depends on her, the power shifts completely. Most men never notice this shift happening in real time. At first, she simply checks her phone more often. Then she rereads old conversations. Then she starts questioning whether she misjudged your value completely. Your absence becomes emotionally louder than your constant presence ever was. This is why emotionally disciplined men are remembered longer. They do not react impulsively under pressure. They stay centered, calm, and difficult to emotionally predict consistently. Music. And in modern dating, emotional unpredictability is often more addictive than attention itself. But silence alone is not enough, because the next trigger goes even deeper into female psychology. One of the fastest ways for a man to become emotionally invisible is becoming completely predictable. At first, constant attention feels comforting. You reply instantly every time. You are always available. Your energy never changes. She already knows what message is coming before she even opens her phone. And slowly, without realizing it, the emotional tension disappears because nothing about the interaction stimulates curiosity anymore. Human psychology becomes emotionally attached to what feels uncertain. This is why dopamine responds more intensely to intermittent rewards than predictable ones. The brain does not become addicted to certainty. It becomes addicted to anticipation. When attention arrives in the exact same way every single time, emotional excitement fades into emotional routine. But when someone becomes slightly unpredictable, the mind pays attention again. This is why emotionally disciplined men often appear magnetic without trying too hard. Their life does not revolve around constant validation. Sometimes they are fully present and deeply engaging. Other times they are focused on their own goals, routines, and priorities. Their attention feels valuable because it is not endlessly available on demand. Most men misunderstand this completely. They think attraction is built by maximizing attention. In reality, attraction often grows inside emotional contrast. Predictable attention creates comfort, but emotional unpredictability creates engagement. When she cannot fully predict your energy, your timing, or your emotional availability, her mind naturally starts investing more attention into understanding you. Again, this is not about manipulation or childish games. It is about maintaining your individuality instead of emotionally orbiting around another person. A man with purpose does not abandon his focus every time a notification appears. He does not measure his self-worth through someone else's response speed. His emotional state remains grounded, whether attention is present or absent, and something fascinating happens when you stop making her the center of your emotional world. She starts noticing the emotional space you no longer fill so freely. She begins wondering where your attention went and why she suddenly misses it. The energy shifts quietly at first, but psychologically, it changes everything. Because the moment someone fears losing your attention, they begin valuing it more deeply than when you gave it away endlessly. The deepest shift in attraction happens the moment a man stops fearing loss. Most men never reach this level because their behavior is quietly controlled by fear they barely understand themselves. Fear of rejection, fear of being replaced, fear of abandonment. And those fears leak into everything they do. You can hear it in the needy tone of their messages. You can feel it in the pressure behind their attention. Even when they try to appear confident, their emotional dependence exposes them. Women instinctively sense this. Emotional fear changes the entire energy of a man. He becomes reactive instead of grounded. Every delayed reply affects his mood. Every emotional inconsistency pulls him into overthinking. Instead of leading the emotional frame, he becomes trapped inside it. But the moment a man detaches from the outcome, something powerful happens psychologically. His attention no longer comes from desperation, it comes from choice. He stops trying to force connection and starts moving through life with emotional stability. That calm confidence creates emotional gravity because it signals something rare, self-possession. The man who can walk away calmly becomes impossible to control emotionally. And that emotional freedom is deeply attractive because it communicates strength without needing to announce it. He does not panic when someone pulls away. He does not collapse under emotional pressure. He understands that his value does not disappear simply because someone becomes distant. This is also why women often test men emotionally, even unconsciously. Sometimes they create distance. Sometimes they become inconsistent. Sometimes they apply emotional pressure just to observe how a man responds internally. Not because they enjoy manipulation, but because emotional reactions reveal emotional weakness quickly. Men who immediately chase, beg, or seek reassurance fail those tests because their behavior confirms emotional instability. But emotionally grounded men respond differently. They remain calm under uncertainty. They maintain standards. They do not lose themselves trying to hold someone's attention, and that emotional steadiness creates respect before it creates attraction. Most men think attraction is built through effort alone. In reality, attraction often grows strongest in the presence of emotional strength. A man who remains centered when things become uncertain feels psychologically rare in a world filled with emotional desperation. And when a woman realizes she cannot control your emotional state through attention or distance, her perception of your value begins changing completely. The fourth trigger begins the moment a man stops over-investing emotionally in someone who has not fully earned that level of energy. Most men constantly flood women with attention because they believe more validation creates more attraction. But attraction rarely grows through emotional excess. In many cases, too much availability slowly removes emotional tension from the connection. When your attention becomes automatic, its emotional value decreases without you realizing it. Controlled withdrawal changes that dynamic immediately. When a man becomes slightly less emotionally available, the absence creates contrast. The constant validation disappears. The emotional pattern changes, and suddenly she notices the space where your attention used to be. Human psychology notices loss more intensely than presence. People often take consistent attention for granted until it becomes less accessible. But this only works when withdrawal comes from self-respect instead of emotional punishment. Weak men withdraw to manipulate reactions. Emotionally grounded men withdraw because they stop chasing people who show inconsistent investment. There is a massive psychological difference between the two. One is driven by ego and resentment. The other is driven by emotional discipline and standards. The moment a man stops overextending himself for attention, his energy begins feeling different, calmer, more centered, less needy, and ironically, that emotional distance often creates stronger attraction than constant pursuit ever did. Because now she begins feeling the emotional contrast herself. She notices your reduced presence. She feels the missing validation, and slowly, curiosity starts replacing certainty. But the fifth trigger goes even deeper than emotional withdrawal. Because this is the trigger most men fail to develop entirely. Nothing destroys attraction faster than a man whose entire emotional world revolves around female approval. You can feel it immediately in his behavior. Constant checking, obsessive texting, waiting for replies, mood changes based on attention levels. His emotional state becomes controlled by someone else's validation, and over time, that dependence weakens attraction completely. But the man obsessed with purpose creates a completely different emotional experience. His life already feels full before anyone enters it. He has ambition, discipline, direction. He is building something meaningful beyond relationships and attention. And because of that, his energy feels grounded instead of desperate. Women naturally become more emotionally drawn to men who are deeply engaged in their own mission because purpose signals emotional stability and internal confidence. A man focused on growth does not cling to attention for identity. He values connection, but he does not emotionally collapse without it. And this is where the dynamic finally reverses completely. When she realizes she is no longer the center of your emotional universe, something shifts inside her psychologically. Your attention becomes valuable again because it is no longer given from neediness. It is given from choice, and that is the moment she starts chasing your attention instead. Attraction was never created through chasing. It was never built through begging for attention, over-explaining your value, or emotionally collapsing every time someone became distant. Most men spend years believing they need to convince someone to choose them, when in reality, desperation quietly destroys the very connection they are trying to protect. Real attraction grows differently. It grows through emotional control, through calm confidence, through mystery, self-respect, and emotional stability. The men who become unforgettable are usually the men who stop making attention their emotional survival system. They remain grounded whether someone stays or leaves, and that emotional strength changes the entire dynamic. You no longer panic when someone pulls away. You no longer chase reassurance the moment energy changes. You understand something most people never learn. Attraction responds to emotional perception more than effort alone. And once you understand that, the way you move through relationships changes completely. Now, your attention has value because it is no longer driven by fear. Your silence has power because it comes from emotional discipline. Your presence feels different because your life no longer revolves around external validation. And ironically, that is when people begin noticing you more deeply than ever before. The moment you stop chasing attention is the moment attention starts chasing you. If this message connected with you, comment, "I move with emotional control now." And subscribe to Stoic Mindset Oasis for more psychology-driven lessons on confidence, emotional mastery, and modern Stoic masculinity.